Welcome to MyTaskers YouTube channel. If you want to improve your website's user experience and SEO, you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Sumaya, and today we're diving deep into one of the most underrated tools for business websites, the FAQ page. Whether you're starting from scratch or revamping your current page, stick around because we're sharing the best tips and strategies to make your FAQ page a game changer for your business. So why is an optimized FAQ page essential for every business? It's because answering questions is not enough. We should provide answers in the most easy to understand manner and instantly. It improves user experience and builds trust. With more users relying on voice search, mobile browsing, and quick snippets on Google, FAQ pages are becoming crucial for ranking higher on search engines and capturing valuable traffic. Let's break down what makes an optimized FAQ page. It starts with identifying your audience's pain points. You should focus on the questions your customers ask most frequently. To gather this, analyze your customer service interactions. Emails, live chats, and social media questions can provide valuable data. You can even monitor platforms like Quora and Reddit to find out what your target audience is struggling with. Once you have your questions, the next step is to structure your FAQ page clearly. Use categories like ordering, shipping, or returns to help users find what they need quickly. For larger FAQ pages, adding a search bar can make a huge difference in usability. When writing your answers, focus on being clear and concise. Avoid jargons. Use them only when it's needed. Always keep your language simple and easy to understand. Include keywords in both questions and answers naturally. It helps you boost your FAQ SEO. Google loves question and answer formats, especially for voice search results. Tools like Schema Markup can also help your FAQ page show up in rich snippets, increasing your visibility in search results. By doing this, your FAQ page becomes not just a helpful resource for your users, but also a powerful SEO tool to bring in more organic traffic. Today, a text-only FAQ page won't cut it. Think about incorporating videos, infographics, or even screenshots to guide users better. This keeps users engaged and helps them understand complex topics faster. And don't forget, your FAQ page is not a one-and-done task. Regularly updated based on feedback and new customer questions so it stays relevant. An outdated FAQ is worse than not having one at all. For inspiration, you can go through the FAQ pages of popular brands. You can learn from their FAQ format and design a lot. That's it for today's guide. An effective FAQ page can turn your website into a go-to resource for your users. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to improve, these tips will help you build a better FAQ. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to MyTaskers YouTube channel. Until then, stay tuned and take care.